Welcome to Learn and Success, your go-to place to listen, practice, and master English at a comfortable, natural pace. I'm Jahid, and I'm really happy to have you here. In this video, I'll speak clearly, use simple words, and repeat key ideas so you can follow along, practice speaking, and build your confidence step by step. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English using complete sentences, not just short phrases. What do you do in the morning? How does your afternoon go? What is your evening routine like? By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your day in English with clear and confident sentences. Let's begin. Why should you practice talking about your daily routine in English? Because your day is real. It's your life, happening every single day. You already know your routine very well, so you don't need to search for ideas or difficult words. Forget complicated topics like history or politics. This is just about you. You can share simple things like what time you wake up or what you eat for breakfast. You can talk about whether you go to work, go to school, or stay at home. You can also express how you feel, maybe tired, busy, happy, or relaxed. Here's the important part. When you describe your day, you are building real English skills. You are practicing useful English that you can use in everyday conversations. You don't need to be perfect. Just try and enjoy the process. Talking about your daily routine helps you think in English naturally. Over time, your speaking becomes smoother and easier. You start using simple and clear sentences without translating in your mind. Your confidence also grows. Imagine this. You meet someone and they ask, "How was your day?" Or, "What did you do today?" If you practice daily routine speaking, you can answer easily. You can say, "I woke up at 7, went to work, had coffee, and answered emails. In the evening, I made dinner and watched TV." Simple and complete. That is real communication. Even if you are alone, shy, or not in a class, you can still practice. Whenever you don't know what to say, ask yourself simple questions. What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? What did I do in the evening? These questions help you remember words and build strong habits. You can practice in the morning by talking about yesterday, or in the evening by talking about today. You can also record your voice and listen to your progress. Keep it simple. Use the English you already know. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Start with 1 sentence today, 2 tomorrow, and a full story next week. Now, let's begin with the morning. Morning is a very important part of the day. It sets your mood and gives you energy. It's also a great time to think and speak in English. Let's practice some simple morning sentences. Repeat after me slowly. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30, when I have a lot to do. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I take a deep breath and stretch my body. Then I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with cold water. Sometimes I take a quick shower. After that, I wear clean and comfortable clothes. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat toast, eggs, or fruit. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. I drink coffee or green tea. While eating, I sometimes watch a video or check the news. Other days, I just enjoy the quiet. Before leaving the house, I check my phone and my schedule. I pack my bag with my phone, notebook, and water bottle. Then I put on my shoes and go out. Now, listen to a short morning story. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7 feeling fresh. Sometimes I wake up earlier if I have many things to do. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. Then I stretch and get up slowly. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. After that, I wash my face with cold water. If I feel sleepy, I take a warm shower. I like to listen to music while showering. Then I wear clean clothes and go to the kitchen. I make simple breakfast, like toast and eggs. I drink coffee and sit near the window. Before leaving, I check my phone and pack my bag. Then I step outside and start my day. Now, let's move to the afternoon. Afternoon is usually the busy part of the day. Some people work, some study, and some stay at home. Even if you are busy, you can still practice English for a few minutes. Repeat these sentences. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I continue working. I check my emails and reply to important messages. I have 1 or 2 meetings in the afternoon. If I work from home, I sit at my desk and use my laptop. I prepare reports or presentations. I check my calendar to stay organized. I take a short break around 3 or 4. I drink tea or water. Sometimes I eat a small snack. If I have time, I go for a short walk. When I have free time, I practice English. I listen to podcasts or watch videos. I repeat sentences to improve my speaking. Before finishing work, I write what I did today. Now, listen to a short afternoon story. After lunch, I return to my desk and continue my work. I check my emails and make a to-do list. Sometimes I have a meeting with my team. After that, I take a short break and make tea. I relax for a few minutes and then continue working. If I have time, I go for a short walk outside. Before finishing my work, I review my tasks and prepare for the next day. Now, let's move to the evening. In the evening, I relax and spend time with family. Sometimes I cook dinner or order food. I eat dinner and talk about my day. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash dishes. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Before bed, I read a book or listen to music. Then I brush my teeth and get ready to sleep. I usually go to bed around 10:30 or 11. Now it's your turn. Think about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the evening? Try to speak about your day in full sentences. Great job today. You listened, practiced, and spoke in English. That is real progress. Keep practicing your daily routine again and again until it becomes easy. Come back to this video, listen again, and add more to your story each time. This is Learn and Success. I'm Jahid. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video.